So the camera company called Xtra might be dropping 2 new pocket cameras, a standard version and a pro version. And this pro version could have actually 2 cameras built in. I think it's kind of crazy. And this isn't just a random talk either. They actually teased it the other day on their Instagram recently, so this is clearly something that's in full motion. I've also been seeing some early hints around performance, and even if half of this turns out to be true, things are about to get serious. We're talking 4K higher frame rates, possibly pushing all the way up to 240 frames per second. Then there's internal storage, 128 gigabytes built-in storage right in, along with what looks like seamless auto transfer. The kind of workflow upgrade that just quietly saves you time every single shoot. But this next part is what really caught my attention, the screen. It might not just flip anymore, it could be fully flexible, potentially even rotating on both sides. And from what's being shown so far, it looks like they're aiming for something more than just a basic vlogging setup, to be honest. And I think this is where things start to get really interesting, because if you've been following this space, you already know not every product that gets announced is immediately accessible here in the US. And as creators, that puts us in a weird spot because we rely on tools like this for real work, not just, testing. So naturally it starts pushing us to look at other options, especially when something new is actually expected to land here and be available. And that's where something like this from Xtra starts to stand out, because it's not just about what it might offer, it's about whether creators can actually use this when they actually need it. Now, from what's being teased so far, it looks like these 2 models are being designed for 2 different types of creators. One more for the everyday use, and one more that might be pushing things a bit further when it comes to content creation. So one thing I want to know, and honestly, I'm very actually happy about a company like Xtra that is actually, producing these products and will be available to us in the US. Like I said, all these 2, these models are just rumors. They teased it, but then again, it could be, not real. But if it does become real, I think it's gonna be super awesome. Honestly, you guys know DJI dropped the Pocket 4 and it's not available for US. And if Xtra drops their version, I think that's gonna be so awesome because it will be available to us, if it's true. So Xtra, hopefully they see this video. I don't think they're gonna see it, but if you are watching, I think you should make those products available to us, especially the Muse 2 Pro. I really want to get my hands on that, and honestly, compare it to the Muse 2, if that all comes true. Which I think, with that teaser, I don't care. I think it's coming. But hey, this is all speculation. But I'm curious if this actually turns out the way it's being teased. Would you go for something like this? Because honestly, I know I would. Or are you gonna still wait for what drops else next? Let me know in the comments. Let me know if you guys are excited by something like this. And, just let me know what you think in general. Let me know in the comments, because I'm actually very excited if something like this from Xtra, drops on. So, yeah.